can't just take the whole thing in on one screen, you know? Wow. Not just the view, man. This is beautiful.
Oh.
Open the door. You go first. If they get you, I'll save you. And I bet people don't do stupid stuff.
Can you see the jet? Dude, it's a frog.
Toad, frog, same thing. Tell me the difference.
Oh, I thought you said turd. It's funny how it's raining and there's so much trees and stuff.
Thank God.
Holy cow.
What's happening over there? Yeah.
Like that one over there. Oh, it's a turtle. You can go ahead. Look at all of them.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. Let's get it on.
Watch out, make sure you don't get like shit on by a monkey.
Oh, possible. Hey, a picture, like regular pictures.
Next to turtle sex, this is one of the coolest things ever.
So that's how they can swing from them, because it's like rubbery.
Nothing wrong with me loving you.
I can't hold the camera straight.
Baby, no. Let your love come out.
Turtles get more nice.
You believe in love, let me know.
Hey dude, can you save me 15% on car insurance?
You know what I'm talking about.
The monkey.
We've got a minky sighting.
I've been
Turtle orgy.
trying, baby.
What's up, Minky?
Hey, monkey.
The turtles are eating the same stuff. Walks on the back. He's walking on the backs of the... Is that what he's doing? He's standing on the back of a turtle. That is a BFS right there.
Holy. That thing's gotta be 18 feet long. Sure. Could be.
Good, let your love come